Today is an exciting day for Hemmels. We're taking 4 280 SL Pagodas down to London to the London Classic Car Show. We're just getting ready to load the cars. These are the cars we're taking down to the show today, or at least 3 of them. The lovely silver one here with the concave Pagoda roof, this anthracite model with red interior, and of course this lovely horizon blue one with the parchment interior. And we have a 4th one out in the garage. We're a little bit nervous. We're shipping over £1 million worth of cars today. Hopefully it'll all go smoothly. Let's see. Can't let it go without the finishing touches, getting every little dust speck off the car ready for its trip to London. This is the transport truck that we're going to use to move the 4 vehicles down. Look at all this space. Soon to be filled with over £1 million worth of Pagodas. Well, we safely got all 4 cars on the truck. I've got to get myself ready and get down to London. We've got a show to do.